Alright, we are the killers again. I am the hitchhiker, as I like to be. Now all our enemies are high level and in a party, so my enemies, I mean victims. So like, you know, it's gonna be tough. Might be tougher than we would like. But Leatherface is pretty high level, so I'm hoping he can deal with it, you know. Better not go check on Grandpa immediately. You lost your mind. Yeah, well, he's an old man who still has some incredible sonar abilities, which I guess the cook also has. Like, I have no abilities. It's crazy. I got a raw deal. All I can do is place traps. Come on, man. I guess I'm just crafty. Not really a super ability, you know. What the hell is that? No one even fed Grandpa. Why is it all... the music all spiking? Yeah, I'll come out. I'll put my traps. Yeah, I'm happy that...
Why I gotta do everything in this family?
I don't know what all that noise
They'll
was.
never see this in all these works.
How you make those weird ass traps yours anyway?
Bones? I use bones. Now the thing is here... But come on, they're not gonna go for that, right? I hope not. Please tell me that I'm putting the trap right now. I wasn't.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
They are right here. Nope, they are up there. Are they not here? I think they would be. Alright. I'll continue collecting blood.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta fight them.
Okay, they came out through here. Now, where could they have gone? One has to imagine. Not very far.
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best.
Where the hell are they?
All you need's a little blood. Perk you right up.
Hello, grandfather. I see that the face does not care about blood, which is correct, I suppose.
Grandpa is gonna be so proud of us, huh?
That's this guy. He's grabbing the blood. Are we checking that door? I hope so. What the hell? What is an unknown error, bro? I never even saw a victim, brother. Just kick me out. Bro, come on, man. I know it's only a couple more days until Lies of P comes out. But like it's like 2 days. But oh my, okay. Guess the game is screwed. Guess I gotta restart the game because I don't know. I guess it's my fault that the game's bad. The game is already running. I know. I'm gonna say it isn't. Start it again. The game is already running. I honestly I gotta go into one of these into my task manager. I mean I don't see a task for it. Yeah, I mean there's an EA background service. That's not the one they're looking for. Got a bunch of ASUS. Oh, there's nothing. Are you still gonna say nope? Okay, it's starting up again. Fucking horrible game. So bad, bro. I don't like it. Now it's taking forever to sign me in. Like literally, what is the problem? Is am I asking too much? Is that what's going on here? I just want to play the game. I paid for it. I mean that's kind of what you know, kind of basic. I would say that's what you would expect it would happen. But yeah, it's just is it just broken forever? Is it just never gonna work again? Is that what's going on here? Is this a sign saying that I should not play this game? I mean, there's this game called Solar Ash, which is from Annapurna Interactive. I mean, that's a pretty good game. Is something wrong with Xbox? I think something might be wrong with Xbox. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? Here's something I can try. I'm gonna shut down Game Pass, Xbox, the app. We're gonna restart the whole app because maybe Xbox will shit the bed. It's very possible. Wouldn't be the first time. Probably. I don't know. It's usually worked quite well, but you know, it's always a first time for everything. The Xbox app usually, I don't think it takes this long usually, but what do I know, right? Maybe I should put it on my 990 Pro instead of my 870 Evo. 970 Evo. I always say 870. I don't know why. Maybe does the product exist ever? Who knows? Probably. But I have a 970 Evo Plus, so the 1 terabyte, and I have a 990 Pro, which is 2 terabytes, which is pretty damn good. Oh, here we go. Game Pass is on, and there's no big error code, which is good. There you go. It's loading, but no games are there yet. It's just on my like the Game Pass sidebar. Games you play will show up here. Oh, I play. Don't you worry. It's like all there's no icons have loaded. There's a big Riot Games logo here, but doesn't really help me out, does it? Hmm. Now isn't this interesting? I think Xbox is down. I don't think Xbox is working right now. I think it's kind of screwed. Well, okay. I mean, I guess we'll pause it here and I'll see you when it starts, I guess. Alright, same map, running it back. I don't know what happened to Xbox, but it's not, it was not good. But you know, it's working now. It seems fine. I'm Hitchhiker again, same map. We'll just run it back. Hopefully we'll be fine. Put my traps there, check them once in a while. I wish they were more, they were highlighted, you know. If my traps were highlighted, I could know like, you know, they're on or off or what the status is. Put one here. This is just hopefully to slow them down. Oh my god. These guys know what they're doing. I think they made too much noise to wake grandpa up, so we don't know if they when they come out. It's a real strat and I do not like it. I mean, these guys are like level 20 something. The fact that they know to do all this is crazy. Like, stop reading like game FAQs or whatever. Figuring out all these techniques. I don't like it. It's not fair, sir. It's not fair. Collect blood. Are they already out there? I can hear noises out there. I do not like it.
Too bad Grandpa ain't able.
Oh, it's the
He was
cook.
the best there ever was.
That is definitely... That is not the cook though. They're making all sorts of noise. Cook, deal with them.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Okay, we'll just fortify up this place. Now I'm hearing some noises.
This'll catch him.
I hear him going clobbering over there. Can't keep running forever. Okay, this place is locked. I'm gonna be honest, I thought there was a way to go there. Okay, okay, spam, spam, spam. Just freaking spam the hell out of it. No, I'm writing it in fucking chat. I always just put off chat for all time.
Snared one.
Ooh.
I can't count on no one around here. Better get to it.
You ain't getting out. There's no way out.
Uh-huh. Okay, you got that.
Wanna play a hidey game, huh? Alright.
Oh my lord. Okay, well I know where it is, I think. Okay, just spam the damn button. Do not stop. There you go. I probably cannot put it off now. I know it's down here. It isn't down here. Yep, they're just all gonna escape now. Literally no one does anything. Now he's probably on the other side. Right, because this is still not open. I will indeed reset it though. There you go. Then we'll head over to that side, because that's probably where he is. Just hanging out outside the place to taunt us. Usually what the victims do, because they're assholes.
I might be saving you for Grandpa. I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here.
I have no idea where I'm going. I have fallen.
Why are you running? Where'd you scurry off to now?
Oh my god, if it's open, I'm screwed. It is open, isn't it? Fucking, it's a stupid ability. Stupid goddamn ability, bro. How could she open it so fucking fast? It's crazy. You gotta nerf these victims, man. I should not have stopped for blood. I should not have stopped for blood. If I had not stopped for blood, I would have gotten there earlier. Probably interrupted her turning off the damn electricity. And would have gotten 2 kills. But no, I was not able. When I wasn't there, what am I gonna do? I tried. I got one kill, I won. I freaking spammed the button like nobody's business. I pressed T in the middle. I would have won another one probably too. There is no pausing an online game. I am indeed killer, gamer girl, and bulletproof. Freaking all of them insanely high level, except me. Now I think who cares about sneak attacks? Maybe I should have it. This is the stamina region. 80% faster is crazy though. I have no points. I would like some points. I'll be honest. Slaughterhouse again. Okay. Someone just left. That's not good. That means they're all probably gonna leave. Oh god. Just ready up. Gamer girl, ready up. I know you're probably not a girl. Just ready up, whatever you are. Whatever kind of human being or just not a human being you are, ready up. They're both gone for increased fall damage. Is that correct? Is that correct? Is that increased fall damage? 50% more damage? I don't know if it stacks. Might stack, all I know, but I don't know if it does. Freaking, it's such horrible. Anna is the one, right? Or is it Julie? I don't know. Whoever the hell it is who can just open locks in your face, that's crazy. You should not be able to do that as a victim. It should be a lot slower. In my world, it would take a little longer than that, honestly.
Search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a
I
native
mean,
of
that should I
Uvalde, was
put my
last
third
seen
trap
near the
here? That
town
is
of
the question.
Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads.
I
Family
can
and
probably put it
friends
on the
are
ladder
urging
there.
anyone with information
That
regarding
is
the
probably
disappearance of
more
the police come
effective than putting
forward.
one on the
A
generator,
series of
right?
home invasions throughout Bell
I
County have
think
turned
so.
into a search for a known fugitive. Omar Pauly, native of Holland, Texas, was
They just gotta
arrested in
make unlocking
1967
doors
for
faster.
aggravated assault and
Or
larceny
slower,
and was
I mean.
sentenced to 5
It's too
years in
fast.
prison.
They can
After
just
his
get through
release,
so easily.
Omar Pauly was implicated in a string of incidents outside McLennan County, where he was arrested again but managed to escape authorities. His current whereabouts
Okay,
are unknown.
grandfather is up top.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores.
So I'm gonna save one of my traps. We're not gonna put a trap here. We're gonna leave immediately. Because if they've gotten here, we're screwed anyway, probably. Right? It doesn't make sense to put one there. I am being thankful for the fact that it's collect the blood, you asshole. It's just stand. No, god damn it, they're still super fast. What the hell, Cook? Bro! You should not fucking be here! Why are you here?
You ain't getting out. There's no way out.
What? What? Bloody. what is the point of playing this game? Honestly, there's no point. Literally no point. This is so stupid. It's crazy. It's just horrible. I don't know what you want from me. Like I'm playing well. I think I saw someone, I cut him off, I hit him a bunch of times. It freaking lagged out and stopped from hitting him again, but whatever. Okay, here we go. I got a good feeling about this. Level 43 Leatherface. And like one level 44 victim. But I mean others are all level 17, level 26. And I think we got a chance. It's fucking slaughterhouse again. Just literally ready up. Okay, play the cook. Nobody cares. Play the cook. Play Johnny. Nobody cares. Just play. Okay, just or leave. I guess. Have I finished one game? I haven't, have I? Every single game has just ended. No, the one where they all escaped and I killed one of them. That one, yeah. One of them escaped right in front of my fucking eyes. I hated it. Can we not just start it? Just get someone in. Thank you. Just ready up. Or change or ready up. I don't know. Do whatever. Do it quick. Like something would be nice. Anything? Literally anything. Okay, Johnny, no problem. Play Johnny, man. Play CC, nobody cares. Just pick one and ready up. All you got to do is ready up. Leatherface will take care of the rest probably. Oh, if we can just delay them down there, then I mean up here I can fortify up a bunch of places, but I need to be able to get out. If they are already out, or by the time I'm not even at the center area, then I'm sorry, I cannot help you. You know, they need to take some time because I'm not even in position.
Brutal attack on 3 female college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year is back in the public spotlight. Pflugerville citizens are in an uproar demanding answers from Texas state officials on why no arrests have been made in the case.
The evening version of the map.
An unidentified man entered the home.
It's all very dark.
One female to death before attempting to stab both roommates who were sleeping nearby. Authorities believe the attacker.
Go. Sonny's getting all hung up. Blood time. Now just get me in control. Again, no trap there. I hate it. I hate it.
Too bad Grandpa ain't evil. He was the best there ever was.
They give me no time for a start. Like, let Leatherface get a late start. That's fine. You know, he's killing people. Let us start. Hell, even give us like 10-15 more seconds. Set some stuff up, because like it's unbalanced. It's literally unbalanced in their favor. There's some blood here I'm gonna grab. Fucking. Why is the game control so horrible, man?
You'll never see this. It always works.
Can you just... Holy shit.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Sissy! Sissy! What are you feeding grandfather for? Come on, help us! What are you pushing me? We are all after this one guy. No one can kill him. But get out of my way.
All you need's a little blood. Perk you right up.
Yeah, I gotta be the one providing all the blood because it's not like my teammates can do anything.
Basement, workshop.
Go faster, you slow ass man. Climb up through here, I fucking dare you.
This'll catch him.
Guys, I need help in tool storage.
I have no idea what the hell you're saying. You're saying words, but I do not understand them. Swear to God if they've already entered that place.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta...
They haven't. And fuse box is fine too. Which actually worries me more. Are they over back where I put my trap? What the hell is wrong with middle mouse button? There you go, grandfather. Why are you trying to stab me? Worthless killers. Yo, go, grandfather's hungry again. Go feed him.
You ever had head cheese? It's good. Come here, I'll show you. I might be saving you for Grandpa. Wanna play a hiding game, huh? All right.
Okay, spam the damn thing. I'm spamming it as hard as I can.
Come on out.
Leland going basement.
I got someone in the basement. I'm chasing. What the hell? The fact that she's not like freaking murdered is crazy to me. Like I stabbed her like a lot.
Well, ain't you shifty?
Oh, there you go. I think did I
Leland
do
is
it?
up. Leland is up. Down outside exterior. This guy's cheating.
Why are you running? Gotta keep going.
They're cheating? Is that what they said? I think I killed someone or they bled out. Because I gave good chase there. What the hell do you mean killed by Leatherface? I killed someone. What? I killed no one. Bro, what a game. What a garbage game. I didn't even hear the pressure valve open. How did it just open? Pressure valve was not open. Two people also escaped from loading dock. No one stopped them going to the other place. Of course, I put all my traps there. Other people just doing literally nothing. I don't know what the hell they. Person I was chasing was killed, right? That much we know. I mean, I stabbed them enough. They should have just died. I'm at a luck, though. I don't want to be. This guy's level 80 fucking 5. Okay, I guess I'll be hitchhiker then. It's slaughterhouse again. Something is wrong. This is the last game I'm playing. Something is like seriously. Something ain't right. Okay, something is does not make sense. I don't know if people are hacking or like what is going on, but because when the pressure valve opens, it makes a lot of noise. I gotta go back into the recording and check. Was the pressure valve open at some point? I think it literally just opened and he walked out. I think somebody was hacking. I believe it honestly because it doesn't make sense how he was just able to run out. No one was at the pressure valve, so unless you like type in some fucking command. Like they have easy anti-cheat. What are you doing with easy? You're doing nothing with easy anti-cheat? Anyone can just do whatever the fuck they want? Alright, this rando is just gonna leave. Sunny. I just should not play Sunny also, by the way. That's just a horrible choice. I should play Lock Lady. Lock Lady is fucking insane. Level 38, level 1 though, he's just gonna go away. Yep, as expected. He's gonna pop in and then just fucking leave again. Okay, that is encouraged in this game because there's no penalty for it. So of course people will fucking do it. Why wouldn't they? There's nothing bad's gonna happen to you. So just do whatever the hell you want. Leave every game. Nobody can stop you. Literally, once again, we have one person. Everyone is so high level. I hate it. I hate it. Look at these fucking levels. 32, 39. Like, come on, man. Also, they're all in a fucking party, so you know they're gonna just brutalize all the victims, all the killers. You know it's gonna happen, because, like, what else is gonna happen? Nothing. I should literally just play single player games. Like, I don't like this. Or not this game at the very least. This game seems just fucking crazy. Where's the skill-based matchmaking?
Continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores,
Patrol property,
a
check
native of
locks.
Baltimore,
Yeah, people just don't. They just walk around.
The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will
I still think
unearth
it's stupid
family and
that,
friends are urging anyone with information
like, this
regarding
entire
the
cutscene should
disappearance
just
of
not
please
happen for
come
the other
forward.
two killers.
Personal
Allow
belongings
us
linked
to
to a
walk
missing Tulsa,
around, place
Oklahoma
traps,
man
get
were
into
found
position.
dead.
Because the victim's getting a head start doesn't make sense. They can just get out in like 10 seconds, which obviously is not intended behavior, right? They're not supposed to, but they do every time. Or they make so much noise, grandpa fucking wakes up, and then no one has any idea when they get out.
Did they get loose on us? Dang it. Should have strung them up better.
Like, I can't wait for balance patches to come in. Collect the damn blood every freaking time. He just stands there looking at it as if he's never seen a freaking blood bag. Piece of meat collecting blood. Look at that. They're out. They're fucking out already. Can't do anything about it. I gotta sit here, collect all the blood. Hope that my teammates are actually doing something important, like I'm doing. If they aren't, I'll be kinda screwed. I hear someone, but I gotta put traps, because they're gonna get out.
They'll never see this. It always works.
Okay. I don't know if I just heard grandfather. Well, great.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
That's it. Tastes good, don't it?
Okay.
Somebody
Please
down
come
here
on
has
up the
to
ladder.
catch 'em.
I love it. Literally did
All you
nothing.
need's a little blood. Perk you right up.
What are you doing?
overhead hitching? That sounded like
Get
a
shit
bird.
on.
Yeah.
No way you are like A-okay, by the way, after that.
Wanna play a hidey game, huh? Alright, let's play. Here you go, Grandpa.
Well, I can at least get him back to level 1, I can try. So I don't know what my teammates are doing, but I am hoping they're killing people right now.
Time to slaughter this little calf.
Oh no, it's fine. Little calf is downstairs with the pressure valve. I know what she's gonna do.
Your turn. Fight, fight over here.
For what? I know. Get out of here, you piece of shit! Oh, great. Fucking help me, you asshole! Okay, spam the damn thing. Oh my god. They're out. Nobody fucking helped me. Not to mention somebody fucking left it open.
Where'd you scurry off to now?
Wow!
See what you made me go and do?
Wow, look at this shit. Bro, fuck this game. Like, what the hell? Get me out of here. I don't know what my teammates are doing. It's just stupid. They should all be down there when the valve is going off, but they just don't know what they're doing. I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one.